Pigment would harden on the bottom, and I'd have to find a way to break it up with a stick. Or another brand, if the can was partially empty, it would film form in the can, and then I'd have to wonder if the pigment was going to be mixed in properly again. This product, whether it's been opened and closed 1,000 times, all you got to do to mix it is this. It will separate, the pigment can, but it'll never harden on the bottom. The other thing about our product that I really kind of like, every one of our products, well, it's been opened already, is foil sealed. So you know the product's fresh because no one's tampered with it. So this color is is gray popular out here? No. No, not at all.
So what are you mixing now, Tim?
Warm gray formula.
So a combination of white, slate, clear base?
Correct.
So 14 colors that you can mix to make any color you want. Whatever your customer wants.
Is the clear base kind of like a neutral oil, I guess?
With no yellow.
Of neutral. Now we make a neutral, and I'm hiding my color panel here. So this is our color lineup. For us to make a neutral, we actually have to add pigment. In the oil world, that's the base, but in our world, this is our base, where it's clear. So anytime I want to make a gray or I want to reduce a color, I can reduce it without adding yellow, or I can reduce it and add yellow if I want. Our color palette's much smaller, but we're already creating formulas to match industry-known products as well as in the sport world, the greens, the purples, the oranges, your secondary colors, so that guys have a head start on learning the palette. I can tell you probably 8 to 9 of these colors can sit in your truck and you can make any color that you normally use in the wood world. That simple. You add these 3 in the back end, now the sport guys can make any school color that's out there. As Mike said, you can add this stain to finish, which means now you can create tone coats to a pretty incredible level. I have schools that are looking for alternatives because they don't want to stain the maple because of the lack of resand scenario. So I can do that with adding my stain to the finish. I can create that much depth of color. I can do it purple, I can do it white, I can do it black.
With just finish?
Yeah. That's sealed, and then finish on top with the HyperTone blue added to the finish. So we're talking about Brazilian cherry. I can stain a base of white and then not get too excited if a little bit of that wood tone still comes through, because now I can do white tone coats on top, and I'm far simpler than bleaching, pre-color, stain, another coat of stain, and then finish.